Look no further than the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.